With stage 1, you introduce 3 of the top allergens, peanut, egg, and milk. They're introduced one at a time, starting with a very small dose and increasing to a maintenance dose. We chose those allergens because they're the most important in childhood and they make up 80% of food allergic reactions in children. After these allergens are introduced one at a time, you maintain them in baby's diet with stage 2. Once baby is consistently eating solid foods, you can move on to stage 3. You can add the stage 3 packets into their purees on a daily basis. And stage 3 expands on the allergens that your baby can be exposed to in their diet. We add tree nuts like cashews, walnuts, and almonds. We add wheat, soy, and sesame, and these are 9 of the top food allergens. So once your baby is on stage 3, they should continue it for at least 6 to 12 months or until they're regularly eating these allergens in their diet. The guidelines say to introduce early and frequently and consistently feed your baby for many months. Ready, Set, Food and all 3 of our stages make it easy, make it safe, and make it consistent for you to do this and follow the guidelines.